Good news, guys. Metaco, a digital asset custody firm owned by Ripple, won 2 awards at the Global Custodians Leaders in Custody Awards 2023. By the way, Ripple has launched a carbon-focused firm called Centigrade that ensures the transparency to carbon markets. Also, Ripple has won the Beyond the Check Award for a philanthropic collaboration with Eat, Learn, Play Foundation. Finally, guys, now is the time to buy. XRP has entered an area of interest, with various analysts suggesting a golden buying opportunity. Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of August. Metaco, a company owned by Ripple and renowned for its unified platform that secures digital asset transactions, has secured a landmark recognition. In a recent tweet, Metaco proudly announced its remarkable achievements at the Global Custodians Leaders in Custody Awards 2023. The company received 2 prestigious awards: Best Innovation in Digital Asset Custody 2023 and Digital Asset Initiative of the Year in Asia 2023. Dig Perspectives, a prominent influencer in the XRP community, weighed in on the development. He remarked, "Award-winning Metaco. No wonder Ripple wanted to bring them into their business vertical." Recall that Ripple acquired Metaco 3 months ago for $250 million. The move was part of the San Francisco-based company's efforts into penetrating the custody and tokenization scene. In an interview with Global Custodian, Metaco attributed its success to sustained global growth and robust technological demand. According to the firm, its digital asset custody, Harmonize, has emerged as the gold standard for institutional digital asset services. It revealed that major global custodians and sub-custodian startups have adopted Harmonize. The firm added that Metaco's technology underpins transformative offerings such as tokenization, crypto payment, settlement, and wallet services. Reflecting on its achievements, Metaco highlighted that 6 of the top 10 global custodians have strategically chosen its platform for crucial projects. It noted that the firms took the decisions after comprehensive checks, including a technical proof of concept review. The firm includes financial giants like Citi, BNP Paribas, Société Générale, DekaBank, DZ Bank, VP Bank, and Arcax. Furthermore, Metaco mentioned that its collaboration with DBS Digital Exchange led to substantial growth in the Asia-Pacific region. It particularly saw the doubling of institutional investors over the past year, with over a 100% increase in Bitcoin custody. Similarly, its Ethereum holdings grew by 60%. Metaco tripled its workforce over a year to meet the surging demand, bringing in top executives from Citi, Accenture, and IBM. Looking ahead, Metaco mentioned it will continue to operate independently under Ripple's umbrella. It will leverage Ripple's resources and network to accelerate its product roadmap and growth. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a recent tweet, Ripple announced a groundbreaking partnership with the Rocky Mountain Institute, RMI, to revolutionize the global energy landscape and tackle climate change head-on. The 2 entities proudly revealed their role as founding partners of Centigrade, a pioneering open data platform set to transform carbon markets. According to Ripple, Centigrade is poised to bring transparency, trust, and integrity to these markets, driving the evolution toward a clean and zero-carbon future. Centigrade echoed this sentiment in a tweet, highlighting its launch as a pivotal moment for the voluntary carbon market. With the support of Ripple and RMI, Centigrade aims to foster greater trust and engagement within the market, thereby encouraging more active participation and collaboration. Chris Larson, the co-founder and executive chairman of Ripple, weighed in on the significance of Centigrade's launch. Larson emphasized the crucial role that the voluntary carbon market plays in combating climate change. Additionally, he applauded Centigrade for addressing the need for an overdue upgrade in the market's infrastructure. Ripple's official blog provided further insights into the collaboration. It noted Centigrade as a collaborative effort between Ripple and RMI to introduce an open data platform catering to global carbon markets. This platform aims to empower carbon and nature credit developers by providing an accessible pathway to bring their projects to the public. The platform seeks to open credit markets to developers of all sizes and locations, facilitating the growth of carbon removal projects. The motivation behind Centigrade's creation is clear. The report highlighted that while carbon markets can fight against climate change, they have been hindered by confidence, efficiency, and scalability challenges. Moreover, it mentioned the existing market's lack of quality supply and outdated mechanisms have hampered its ability to reach its full potential. Additionally, the narrow focus on carbon has overlooked the diverse range of climate-positive activities across various natural elements. Centigrade seeks to address these challenges by proposing innovative solutions. With Ripple's active involvement, Centigrade aspires to create a vibrant and dynamic carbon market that delivers on its environmental and economic objectives. Furthermore, the role of blockchain technology in this transformative endeavor is evident. Ripple envisions blockchain as a catalyst to propel global nature markets toward their full prospect. Ripple noted that its blockchain technology solution, the XRP Ledger, has achieved net zero status in carbon emission through renewable energy. Furthermore, in a recent tweet, Ripple expressed pride in being acknowledged in the prestigious San Francisco Business Times Top 100 Bay Area Corporate Philanthropy list. The tweet also highlighted its reception of the coveted Beyond the Check Award for its impactful collaborations with remarkable nonprofit organizations, including the notable Eat, Learn, Play Foundation. A San Francisco Business Times tweet hailed Ripple as one of the Beyond the Check community health category winners. The tweet highlighted Ripple's notable partnership with Eat, Learn, Play, a nonprofit by American basketballer Steph Curry and his wife, Aisha. It emphasized the efforts of Ripple and the nonprofit to support children in Oakland. Over the past 4 years, Steph and Aisha Curry's Eat, Learn, Play Foundation has been at the forefront of establishing playgrounds and providing books to underserved kids in the East Bay. Notably, during the early stages of the 2019 pandemic, the foundation was crucial in distributing 15 million meals to needy families. Ripple, a prominent crypto payment company, played a substantial role as a corporate partner throughout this period. In addition to a notable donation of $1 million to support Eat, Learn, Play's pandemic meal program, Ripple demonstrated commitment beyond financial support. Its employees actively volunteered time and effort, contributing to various Eat, Learn, Play initiatives. Chris Helfrich, CEO of Eat, Learn, Play, acknowledged Ripple's significant contributions. He remarked, "They've been with us pretty much from the start and have been a huge partner in helping us have the impact that we've been able to have." The collaborative efforts between Ripple and Eat, Learn, Play focused on providing comprehensive support for underserved children in Oakland. This multifaceted approach encompasses education, nutrition, and recreational activity. The foundation has invested over $4 million in literacy programs and distributed 500,000 books to Oakland's children. Physical activity initiatives encompass upgrades to schoolyards, public basketball fields, and summer camps. For Ripple, this partnership offers an opportunity to make a lasting contribution to Bay Area communities. Jonathan Perry, Ripple's senior manager of global social impact, highlighted that these projects extend beyond playgrounds and courts. Perry noted that it provided youth with benefits encompassing physical, mental, social, and intellectual development, which research indicates contributes to long-term success. It is worth noting that Ripple's humanitarian efforts extend beyond the United States to African nations, as the Crypto Basic reported. Now to the big question of the day: is it time to buy the dip? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Seasoned crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppy previously highlighted a notable entry point for XRP on the weekly chart. Following subsequent declines registered by the asset since the initial disclosure, the analyst suggests that XRP might be slipping into the highlighted area of interest. As reported in his initial disclosure, Van de Poppy pointed out 2 reasons why XRP has continued to drop since the 93-cent high. One reason was that investors who had been underwater for over a year leveraged the recent upsurge to exit their positions. The second reason was a lack of confidence among potential market participants. Amid the retracement, Van de Poppy highlighted an entry point marked within a green area on the weekly chart. The entry point ranges between 56 cents and 45 cents. This zone represented the area of interest. Following the initial disclosure, XRP has continued to decline. The asset dropped to the low of 61 cents, prompting Van de Poppy to present a follow-up analysis. According to the trader, XRP is now slipping into the area of interest, representing the entry point. Yesterday, XRP broke below the 60 cents territory for the first time since July 13th, plummeting to a low of 59 cents earlier that day. However, it hedged against further declines, recovering lost grounds and reclaiming the 61 cents territory. Despite the mild recovery, Van de Poppy insisted it was close to the entry point. XRP was changing hands at 61 cents during the follow-up analysis. Moreover, in a recent Twitter statement, Cyprus de Maninker, another notable analyst, shared a perspective that sheds light on the potential trajectory of XRP. The analysis suggested that XRP is currently in a critical position. According to de Maninker, the turning point for XRP's recent upsurge goes back to July 12th, when the U.S. Consumer Price Index report surprised the market by revealing softer-than-expected figures. This unexpected data set the stage for XRP's potential ascent to new yearly highs. Notably, the day after this revelation, the verdict from Judge Annalisa Torres on the Ripple vs. SEC case compounded XRP's bullishness, leading to the 93 cents high. De Maninker called attention to the current retracement, stressing that XRP is moving towards a discounted range. In his bullish stance, de Maninker emphasizes the importance of XRP holding above the 45 cents mark. He points out that market participants should brace for potential volatility on Thursday as the new U.S. CPI numbers are set to be released. De Maninker explains that a softer CPI reading could support the crypto market. However, an inflationary report might push the Federal Reserve to further interest rate hikes, leading to a stronger U.S. dollar and impacting the crypto landscape. This would further dictate XRP's direction from this point. XRP is changing hands at 64 cents as of press time, having appreciated by 0.34% today. XRP has registered 6 consecutive days of constant declines. If it loses more of its value today, this would mark the 7th consecutive day of persistent drop. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.